Hello, welcome back. I'm Kate and this is Nurture Nature. About 5 minutes ago, the sun was shining. I've just got my coat on and my shoes and it's raining. It's tipping it down. I've just come out to get something from the shed, and all those pyracantha branches that I put out for the birds to take, I mean there's one there, I suppose they could have blown away, they've all gone. And all the seed and bread that I put on the bird table, the birds must be hungry. I was going to pop outside and lightly prune our rambling rose, but as you saw, it's absolutely tipping down and it's really, really cold. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a job that I can do inside. And something I really need to start doing is sowing my sweet pea seeds. So I'm going to do that. Now, some people soak their sweet pea seeds overnight or for 24 hours just to soften their skin. Sweet pea seeds can have quite a hard skin. So soften it just helps it to germinate a bit quicker or a bit easier. But some people don't bother. So I thought I would do a little experiment and see which ones germinate first, which ones germinate at all. So I've got 2 packets of sweet pea seeds. They are a mix. And so I thought I would sow one straight away and one I would soak first. So I've got 2 ramekins. This one's got water in, this one hasn't. And this is called a mammoth mix. So we'll see how these turn out. I haven't got many. So I will soak those first. In they go. And these ones, I'll just put in there like that. And then tomorrow I will sow them all and we'll see in a few days, weeks, what happens. So I've got a bit of time now while George naps. So I thought I might as well just get on and get the soil or the compost into the seed trays so that I'm one step ahead tomorrow when I come to actually sow my sweet pea seeds. So I've got my tray. This is actually a new tray. Yes, I know it is plastic, but it is made from recycled plastic, and I plan to take good care of it so I can use it year after year. Now, these come in modules of 4, and they have a lid as well. So the water can drain out of the bottoms, but this doesn't have any holes in, so this is like your gravel tray. This is what you can put on your windowsill so that no water leaks out. And the reason why I got these, I got 2 of these, is because they fit really, really well on the windowsill. I have got some heated propagators, but they're sort of rectangular, square, and they don't quite fit very well. So these are great, and they can go above our radiator on our windowsill. So I've got some peat-free compost here. I'm just going to fill these up. Whoops. With compost. I will leave, well, I'm going to fill it up almost to the top, not quite to the top, so that tomorrow I can lay my sweet pea seeds on top, and then I can cover them with compost. So that tomorrow I can put a couple of peas in there. In fact, I don't know how many I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 10. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. It was like it was meant to happen. So I've got 2 lots of 10 seeds and I've got 20 holes, so that's perfect. So those will go in there tomorrow. So I'm going to fill those up now, and then the compost can actually be just warming through a little bit because this compost has been sat outside in the cold, so it will give it a chance to warm up a little bit as well to help the seeds along. So there we go, I filled them up with peat-free compost. The only thing I am wondering is if these are deep enough, because I know really sweet peas you should probably have a longer pot, but I'm reluctant to go and buy more stuff, so I'm going to give them a go anyway. So while I've got the time, I'm also going to write my labels, just so that tomorrow all I have to do is pop the seeds in and we're good to go. So I'm just going to put in sweet peas, and I'm going to label which ones are going to be soaked and which ones not. Everything is ready, soil's in, the compost is in, labels are prepped. My peas will soak nicely, or not, and I'll video it tomorrow when I actually plant them. So it's the next day and it is equally wet, if not wetter, outside. It's absolutely tipping it down, so I won't be doing any gardening out there today, but I have got my sweet peas here ready to sow. So I got everything prepped yesterday. Here are my sweet peas which are soaking, and here are the ones that aren't, and all I'm going to do is pop one on top and then just cover with another layer of peat-free compost, and then water them. So I better get these the right way round. So the soaked one goes in this side. So the ones that are soaked, oops, dropped one, are definitely bigger, and these are the same variety. So you can see the one that was soaked, it's a darker, richer browner colour, and they've definitely got bigger, so I don't know if that's going to help. And I've just dropped one, so I'm going to have to find that. I'm really excited to see these ones and have sweet peas. So you just can cut the flowers off and more will grow, and they go so quickly. And we can have a few cut flowers in the house and make little posies out of them. I've just run outside to grab the children's little mini watering can, which is probably perfect for this, because I don't want to soak the kitchen floor with a big watering can or the work surface, and it's just got that little rose on the end so that I don't just drown them. And as soon as they start to germinate, I will put them in the greenhouse. Thank you for joining me this week. I'm sorry that I haven't been outside, but it's just been so wet and not a nice place to be when it's that wet. So hopefully I will get back in the garden this weekend. And if you've sown sweet pea seeds, let me know how you're getting on. If you haven't already subscribed, then please do to support my channel, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye.